All right, all right. So my screen is visible, right, guys? All
Right,
right. So
right.
today the topic of discussion will be surviving the tough times and growing with the right kind of a business opportunity. Every moment of minute, every time, every second that you spend today, starting 12 noon, I can ensure you one thing that on a Sunday morning, afternoon, you have taken out your busy schedule time to learn with me. Thanks a lot. And I can ensure it will be a typical Paisa Vasool webinar. One fair disclaimer I want to give to all my friends out here, this kind of a business or entrepreneurship journey is actual hard work. This is meant for people like you who are still working and taking out time on a Sunday afternoon as well, thinking that they want to do something new in their life and they want to continue their entrepreneurship journey. So, thank you again. This is actually the normal reaction of most of the people. Whenever we get a free webinar during 2.5 months of lockdown, most of us must have actually seen so many free webinars opportunities, right? So this is actually the reaction from most of my friends which I receive. Most of them, everyone actually give this kind of a reaction. Who all actually see this kind of reaction or have this kind of a reaction? Put me in the Zoom group chat. Put me in the Zoom group chat. All right, all right. So we will set some ground rules for our webinar. First is we all will be participative and active. Now, what do we mean by being active? You all have taken out time from your busy schedule on this moment, etc. So let's be participative and interactive. Say using the Zoom group chat, talking to me, unmuting whenever required. We will guide you, but do use the Zoom group chat to be active. Second, learn from the webinar and try and apply. We have been attending so many webinars in this time duration, but we actually take it as another Netflix or Amazon Prime series or a webinar, or do not do that. Kindly take the learnings from the webinar and do apply, take some action towards it. Third, kindly do not be in the mind frame of quick money making. Do not be impatient. This is the high time where the crisis hours is testing you. So this discussion is also meant for people who are not into the quick money exercise, quick money making exercise. So be patient and try and learn from it. This is certainly for the hardworking and sincere people who have joined us. Okay. Now let me introduce myself. I am the son of my mentor, husband to a superwoman, and an avid Bhagavad Gita follower. I am a proud Zavarian and a chartered accountant. I have completed my BCom honors from St. Xavier's, Kolkata, and I am CA by qualification. Okay. Apart from that, I am an entrepreneur core at heart and a founder of SMVA Consultants and co-founders Planet. Currently, the single tunnel focus that I am working on is to help more and more startups, corporates to build their right team through our HR franchise network. I am on a mission to help more than a lakh candidates through our 100 franchise network by 2021. Now you can see the image. I am standing happily, the happy picture with my mentor, my father. The lady sitting next to me like a boss is the superwoman I was talking about, my better half, Priyanka Agarwal. Now, friends, failure. Failure is a very, very important part of entrepreneurship journey. For everyone, be it an individual or as a company owner, it is very important to embrace failure. If I talk about myself, I had been a consistent topper and a merit holder during my school and college days. But the life was not that flashy, indeed. The first roadblock that hit me was during my CA final first attempt. I failed. I failed. You can imagine a merit holder, a consistent topper failing in the first attempt. All right. That is where I went deep into the reading of articles, spirituality, etc. I came across this Australian army rule. Now, what is the Australian army rule? The Australian army rule says that they admit only those soldiers who have failed at least once in their life. Yes, that is the power of failure. It is very, very important to fail, and not only just fail, but to learn from the failures and bounce back. So they were actually checking this kind of a characteristic or an attribute of soldiers. Similar thing, this article proved to be a game changer, and I completed my chartered accountancy in the second attempt. After completing CA, I landed a job in Bangalore and eventually was a part of abroad assignments at Unilever South Africa. Everything was going fine. I was at the peak of my career. I was the youngest CA with foreign exposure, but still something was missing. That inner happiness which everyone thrives for was actually missing. So, what was the inner happiness? I will come to that as well. Prior to that, it is very important. Now all of you are in corona times, most of you are working from home, everything is going fine. Surround yourself with positivity. Positivity can come from the positive set of people. According to me, family is the first set of positive well wishers I can think of, and they were my reason of coming back from Bangalore to Kolkata. So that is where I quit my job, a well paid job from Bangalore. I came back to Kolkata. Now again, after coming from job to my hometown, I started searching for job once more. There what happened is I again faced a fraud. Now what is the story of a fraud? Actually, I get a message and an email from a consultant. The consultant says that I need to deposit 13,300 rupees and I will land up an interview call. This is a prerequisite for getting into an interview. So I was very happy. I deposited the money. But to my utter shock, after I deposited the money, I realized that this person has actually fled and not even answering anyone's call. That is where I really thought that I need to do something for the job seekers, for the community at large. That is where SMBA Consultants was born. Our only focus was to help the candidates. So our vision was, let us help more and more candidates. So if I can be duped, I can be sort of cheated by somebody, everyone else can. So I wanted to help more and more people to get the job. So this is the first aim of SMBA Consultants. Now we have also come up with Co-Founders Planet, which has been recognized. And again, the approach is same, problem solving approach. The co-founders, the CXOs, the owners, whoever is not getting a job, we want to help them through Co-Founders Planet. So in SMB Consultants, we were helping every job seeker community. And in Co-Founders Planet, we have segregated and are helping a typical community known as the co-founder community. Apart from that, in Co-Founders Planet, we are also into other services like finance, legal, investor pitch deck. We are also into investments into various startups as well. All right. So this is the good news which we had 2 weeks back from Startup India, the DIPP recognition that we got for our Planet Co-Founders Planet. We are also active members of MINAFA, Middle East North Africa Franchise Association, as SMBA consultants. We are very, very active. If you talk about TIE, the Indus entrepreneurs in Kolkata, India, or in Oregon, USA, or you talk about Indian Chamber of Commerce, MSME, NHRWA, Startup Bengal, we are active everywhere. In fact, last week we also got impaneled with Atal Incubation Center. The aim still remaining the same, the mission is still the same, to help more and more startups, companies, and job seekers. Now, this session belongs to whom? Kindly take a note of this slide, and I have a small question against this slide. Whatever category you belong to, put in the Zoom group chat which category you belong to. You are an entrepreneur or a job seeker, HR related person, startup owner, franchise investor, or CXO, or probably a co founder or an MSME. Kindly use the Zoom group chat and write which category you see yourself in. Now, even if this question was not enough, this particular part, let me ask you some of the questions which might haunt you every moment of time. What is the future of business? You are worried about the future of business. You want to streamline your revenue generation. You want to make sure that there is one kind of revenue which comes like a rental perennial income. You intend to work for a strong and efficient business model. You cannot afford the lifestyle cost. You want to insure yourself. You have queries for survival. Boss, I am in a crisis situation. Let me help with a business revenue. You are struggling to get into your dream company, or you think with the right kind of tricks, your personal growth and company growth can be managed. You need right kind of an opportunity to handhold you basically. If any questions answer is yes, my friends, now my big promise today to you is you have landed at the right place. Genuinely, you have made the right decision and you have landed at the right place. I can hopefully say that this kind of transition helps you SMVA के पहले और SMVA के बाद. Even if this webinar or probably after joining SMVA consultants, you can see this kind of a change in your life. Now, talking about the game plan, what is our game plan? What you will walk away with, what you will basically learn from this webinar. First is we will talk about the Corona times, what the virus times has given us, how it has impacted our lives. Second is we will go deep into the franchise aspect. What is a franchise? What are the franchise insights? What is the opportunity that we have to offer for you? And I will also touch some of the hacks, the growth hacks for the job seekers and the entrepreneurship community. Let us get started. Let us get started to this roller coaster ride. With the Corona times, who all are actually facing this kind of experience? Everything is same in the current COVID times. Put me in the Zoom group chat. Put me in the Zoom group chat. Everything Sunday, Monday, everything is same. Use Zoom group chat, write me in the Zoom group chat. Okay, okay. So in the Corona times, the businesses and the individuals have been impacted in four different ways. Four different ways, my friends. First category is the high impact zone. Now, what is the high impact zone? Any kind of an individual or business that will take minimum 1 year time to recover from the impact that has been created by this deadly coronavirus. These are nothing but under the high impact zone. So who all basically come under this category? If I talk about the travel agents or the hospitality sector, obviously none of you, me or you, will actually go for a abroad trip or probably stay in a fancy hotel. Nobody wants to do that because everybody has got that fear in the mind. So this kind of a business is categorized under high impact zone. Next is the medium impact zone. Now, I was talking to my cousin 2 weeks back. So we were talking about what kind of impact it has created on his business. He is the owner of a paper manufacturing mill. He told me, let's see, our business will take minimum 7 to 8 months. Simple reason being, to actually accumulate all these laborers, the migrant laborers who have actually gone to their respective towns, their villages, to get them back. Plus, to get all the machinery, etc., back in the action, it will take minimum 7 to 8 times. So these are nothing but the businesses which will take a decent amount of time, nothing but 6 to 8 months to recover basically from the impact. So I already gave you an example of comes under the category of medium impact zone. Now, coming to the third category. What is the third category? The low impact zone. Who all are categorized under low impact zone? As you can see in the image, the e-commerce deliveries, we all are living in the world of e-commerce. We are so much habituated with using Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Big Basket, Grofers, etc. All these takes time, to get back to action. The deliveries, I was talking to again my brother who has a house like Zomato. So he was also telling that Zomato has taken a major hit because of the e-commerce deliveries. People are still having that fear due to Corona. They do not want to order food from outside. So it has, I will not tell you the kind of figures or the finances, it has impacted, but yes, trust me guys, it has impacted their business to a great extent into liquor deliveries, etc. So these are nothing but the positive impact category. Now coming to another unique and an interesting category that has come during this time, the positive impact zone, the e-commerce deliveries. All right. Now coming to another unique and an interesting category that has come during this time, the positive impact category. So who all are categorized under this positive impact? If I talk about anything which has seen a revenue hike, or probably somebody who has got more and more customers or traction during this time, are categorized under the positive impact zone. So who all are these categories? Which kind of businesses? If I talk about essentials, our local kirana stores, or probably educational businesses, online consulting, or even for a matter, the platform we both are talking on, the Zoom platform, all these are nothing but the positive impact category. I was, reading this report for Zoom valuation 5 days back. The report stated the combined valuation of Zoom, the valuation of Zoom itself is more than 8 airlines. So can you beat that? The combined valuation of Zoom is greater than that. So that is the power of the positive impact category, which is certainly unbeatable. So basically, I have discussed 4 kind of impacts. Now it is your time to analyze yourself. See basically where you stand, whether you are standing in the high impact zone, or probably the medium impact zone, low impact zone, or the positive impact zone. It is very, very crucial to do a self analysis and see where you are standing today. Once you have analyzed ourselves, go deep into it, further deep into it, and see what is a strategic advantage. You know which zone you are into, be it medium, high, low, positive. Then you also need to analyze, boss, मेरे advantages क्या हैं? What is basically the advantage that I have? It might be my communication skills. मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं बंगाली में बात कर सकता हूँ, इंग्लिश में बात कर सकता हूँ, मारवाड़ी में बात कर सकता हूँ, anything, Marathi, Kannada, anything. Your command over the language, okay, that is very, very important. Second is you might be having some corporate relationships. मेरे friends हैं, कुछ भी है, I have many circle. In my circle itself, I can find some corporate people, some institutions, schools, colleges, they are connected with. So this is very important to understand. Or probably I have power of finance. I have money. Boss, I can do anything. Or probably I can involve my time. I still have some spare time. I can involve myself in a new business. Or probably I have some domain knowledge. मेरा ये expertise है. I have a mathematics knowledge. Or probably I have a retail knowledge. I have a knowledge of business development. I have a knowledge of human resources. That is what you need to analyze. First, categorize yourself. Second, understand your strategic advantage. After you are done with your thorough analysis, it is high time that you take some action. That is what the crucial part is. You need to take some action towards it. Now, I have already discussed sort of the negative aspects too by mentioning what kind of impact the corona has created. Now, let us talk about the hope, where the hope is lying. Okay. First and the foremost hope that lies is we are an Indian. Being an Indian, so we come up with certain characteristics. We have inherently some characteristics. First is we are highly resilient. Okay. Second, most of us come from a humble family background. We do not have a flashy lifestyle. We do not have too much demands, etc. So we all are, happy during the corona times as well. We are living on essentials. So that is a very, very positive aspect being an Indian. Next, we, as I said, have a habit. We have stayed on essentials, so that actually works for us. Most important attribute of all our Indians are we are very, very hardworking and we have sincerity in our genes. I'll give you one small example, okay, about the kind of appetite we still have as an Indian. During the crisis time itself, when for a short duration the lockdown was lifted and the ministry allowed the airlines to start, you will not believe within one day, 84 airlines filled the sky, the beautiful sky of India. In one day, 84 airlines were filled. Not even that, not only that, 4 trains were full in 6 minutes, just 6 minutes of time, and all the 4 trains were jam packed. So that is what the kind of appetite we are having. So be positive. And after COVID as well, we have a beautiful world, beautiful entrepreneurship journey ahead of us. Who all are proud to be an Indian with these characteristics? Put Indian in the Zoom group chat. Put Indian in the Zoom group chat. Put Indian in the Zoom group chat. Awesome, awesome. Tons of messages. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Now, coming back to the franchise insights. What kind of franchise business it is? What is a franchise business in general? Okay. First is a franchise business gives you a ready-made business model. Okay. So a ready-made business model is there. You did not do a thorough R&D, etc. You know that this brand is known. They are having some set SOPs, etc. So this gives you a ready-made business model. My piece of advice to all my friends out here is prefer now an asset light model. An asset light model where you do not have to invest way too much. Be very, very choosy. Be very, very clear in the kind of business you want to go for. Second, as SMVA consultants, we offer a plug and play model. So considering today's time when you cannot afford to go out much, so work from home will be the new normal. And as SMVA consultants, we offer you the WFH model, the work from home model. Third, we give you all the tricks and trainings on a platter. So basically, you did not work towards those kind of an efforts. You get everything started from how to do this business, how you can approach the clients, or ready business opportunities. Everything ready made on a business platter. Fourth, there is something called a brand recall value. So when you actually approach someone as other hand you approach as yourself, so obviously there is a brand recall value. So So I'll come to about SMB consultants. When anybody sees our network portfolio, our brand portfolio, there is certainly a kind of weightage that you will be having when you approach the clients. That is what the power of a brand is. Okay. Fifth, there are more than 3,000 brands rolling out franchises in India. So, out of which 12% are only national brands. All right. There are so many national brands, homegrown, grown in India, made in India brands. If you have heard our Honorable Prime Minister also speaking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, he emphasized on the made in India brands. We are very, very proud to be 100% Swadeshi brand. Now, who all have seen this kind of an image? There was an advertisement. A Punjabi boy is there who is playing with his small white car and asking his father, Papa, kitna mileage deti hai? Just write me in the Zoom group chat. Use the Zoom group chat, write me. Okay, okay. So now, similarly, like the boy is sweetly asking his father very innocently, it is very important. Guys, ask your franchisor. It is SMB or whatever franchise brand it is. भैया आपकी franchise मुझे कितना ROI देगी? कितना ROI देती है आपकी franchise? Be shameless. Do not hesitate in asking them questions. If they are not answering your questions, that means there is some problem with that. All right. So choose the brands wisely. Now, what kind of opportunity we have for you, how you can be our franchise partner, the basics of franchising, etc. First and the foremost part is it is very important to understand how the companies and consultancies hunt for their prospective employees. Recruitment की cycle कैसी होती है? First step, the company's respective departments put their detailed requirements. You know, if I am say from a excuse me, if I am from a company, a small startup, or probably a bigger company, I first of all pin down my requirements that I require an accountancy guy or a marketing person, whoever my requirement is. So I pen down those requirements. That requirement might be penned down in a template known as a manpower requisition form. Now the manpower requisition form is getting approved by the senior management, the owner, the decision makers of the company. Then the HR department basically works for finding the candidate. Now, how do they find the candidate? They can either do it yours themselves, which is very, very tough nowadays. They prefer to actually outsource it to an HR consultancy. To an HR consultancy, an HR network like SMBA consultants, where they can understand and do their work. That is where our job starts. As a consultancy, we use different kind of mediums to search the right candidate for the right job. Now, that requirement might come from a small company or a Fortune 1000 company. Our job is to provide them the right candidate, the resume getting selected, organize the interview, etc. After the candidate is joining, we get our commission, our payment. Now about SMVA consultants, we have latest in 2020 January being awarded as the best HR franchise network. We have served more than 850 clients across 15 plus countries. We have helped secure job for thousands of people. Plus we are a happy family of more than 200 network professionals pan India. This is the picture, the collage you can see out here in pixels. This are the SMBA family members. Very happily, they all post for it and preferred to make a collage out of the SMBA family. A happy family of 200 plus professionals. Now, mentioning some of the clients that we are having, we have served some of the very, very big names in the industry, including the startups and the newcomers. If I talk about, say, ITC or probably NR Group, the cycle brand Agarbatti, Accenture, Piramal, Arvind, Manyavar, Merino Laminates, Donier, Ambuja Group, Coface, Alpla. So these are some of the brands that we have touched. We have worked with them over 7.5 years of time, and they have good things to say about us. I'll come back to the testimonial parts as well very soon. We have got our fair media presence. You can go to our website, check our media presence as well. We have been featured on some of the articles. Last week only, we got featured in Economic Times, one of the articles. So we have very active presence in media as well. Apart from that, we are highly active on all the social mediums. So now also we are live on Facebook, so you can see on Facebook as well. We are very, very active on other platforms. Talk about Instagram or Facebook, you talk about probably Twitter, and we also have a dedicated YouTube channel too. So any social media handle you talk about which is popular in India, we are there. This particular picture is my happy moment when I had been receiving the award of Best HR Franchise Network. The person standing next to me, I have been receiving the award with my mother. Now, a small story I would like to say here is when we got down the stage, my mother actually told me, Beta, बाकी सब तो ठीक है. It is a very, very proud moment for all of us, the entire family members. पर next time जब भी आप मुझे स्टेज पे लेके जाओ, काइंडली मेरे को पहले से बताना, मैं और बेटर ड्रेस्ड अप हो पाऊं, मैं और बढ़िया से तैयार हो पाऊं. So these are very, very sweet moments we all live for, and I am being a Bhagavad Gita follower and strong family oriented person. These are my moments of happiness. Some more recognitions that we have got, being a best service provider and also in the market innovation award in the HR sector as well. Now, very, very important, whatever industry that you choose, whatever franchise that you go for, it is very, very important to see the industry size. What is the industry size of that kind of a business? If I talk about recruitment, the recruitment industry size is $400 billion. You can also Google it. You will get that answer of $400 billion as per Andreessen. Second, if I talk about the e-learning industry, the training industry, the e-learning industry is pegged at $200 billion. And by 2026, it will go up to $375 billion. And I believe more thanks to Corona, because this will be the new normal. Me and you talking not physically, but over the platforms like Zoom. So this will basically pump up huge business for all the e-learning advisors. So this kind of an industry size we are playing in. Now, some of the other group companies that SMVA group is having includes SMVA Traders Private Limited. So guys, we have a legacy of 23 years. We started off in 1997, which was initiated by my father. It was started as a trading house by the name of SMVA Traders Private Limited. Plus, we also have other business interests like Domestica Services LLP and Co-Founders Planet. Initially, what you can see out here on the logo is also a part of Domestica Services LLP. Now, who all can relate to this kind of a paraphrase, the key phrase? Lemons to lemonade story. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade and sell it for a profit. Put yes in the Zoom group chat if you can relate to it. Put yes in the Zoom group chat. All right, all right. So this is a very fine, sort of phrase which defines the journey from being negative to positive. That is how an entrepreneur behaves. An individual who has got that kind of a mindset needs to behave. So whenever there are adversities, some negative circumstances, kindly don't be bogged down by those kind of circumstances. Even if I talk about the hospital line, if that line is flat, is simply that means that the life is not there. For life to be there, the roller coaster ride, the life has to be positive and negative. It has to be a mix and match of both. So kindly don't be bogged down by negativity. Think about the positive aspect after Corona world, etc., and see how you can make the most of it. Now, we also did the similar activity. We were primarily a recruitment agency helping more and more corporate houses. We saw a very big advantage in this industry of e-learning. During the lockdown itself, when people were probably using binge watching, enjoying their life, we were clocking, working day in and day night, working only for the benefit of more and more partners belonging to the SMB network. We opened a new wing of SMB consultants known as the e-learning wing, e-learning division. So we launched with our resume writing course. The resume writing course we floated in the pilot version, the cost was rupees 499, and we actually gave 100 minutes of free video content against this submission of a small piece of 499. And the response was amazing. We could donate a good chunk of money in the PM Care Fund out of the proceeds that we generated in the first week of our resume writing course. So that is the power of innovation, adaptation, pivoting. That is what SMB consultants also did. Parallelly, we also got and launched other workshops. Apart from resume writing, we also launched the workshops like interview skills, building your network on LinkedIn, and how to amplify business growth through the right focus on recruitment and people. So the first three category of workshops relates to candidates, CXOs, etc. Now the fourth category relates to the business houses, right? So that is what the power that we had been focusing on. Now, some of the franchise facts. We are coming up with 4 different franchise models: 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 8 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. I repeat, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 8 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. I will not go deep into the business model because if you are genuinely interested into the same, the process, etc., you can touch base with the franchise apply team. They will be happily connecting with us so that we can discuss the franchise models in details. All right. And we are charging a royalty ranging between 10% to 20%, depending upon the services that you take from the head office. The cost benefit analysis, which is very well a part of the brochure, can give you a very fair idea what kind of revenues, the ROI, our business model can provide you. A very handsome ROI opportunity where the only investment that you need to do is a franchise fees cost and also a cost of a job portal. Okay. With these two costs, you can start the work from home as well. And I can bet on that this kind of a cost benefit, nobody will provide you in details as well, being so clear in the brochure itself. Now, some of the hacks for the job seeker, which is also a part of our resume writing course. Kindly float your resume everywhere strategically. This is the golden rule for the candidates. Some of the hacks also we discussed for the job seekers. We gave a website wherein you can go and actually make your CV free of cost, which is flowcv.io. Now, what our clients say about SMBA consultants? They have very, very positive aspect. There are whole lot of testimonials. You can go to my LinkedIn page as well, or probably see the testimonials hovering on our website www.smbaconsultants.com, or my LinkedIn handle is also there. You can see the kind of praises all these people have got for SMBA consultants. From all over India, if I talk about Southern India, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, if I talk about West, Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, if I talk about East, Bhubaneswar, Calcutta, North, Lucknow, Delhi, Jaipur. So everywhere, Central India, MP, Indore, we have got praises from all our clients. this is the basic reaction. If you are a service industry, you will understand probably, all people, be it franchising or any kind of service industry, will relate to this kind of a meme. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा. That is what we also follow for all our franchise partners. We are always there for them. Now, very, very critical, kindly build your network. Build your network utilizing a very, very professional medium. So even if till date you have not been utilizing LinkedIn, kindly go there after my session, make your profile, be active on LinkedIn. Trust me, guys, this is the most powerful platform. And I'm not saying that Google says that. Now, what is our franchise process? The franchise process starts with you, the investors. So investors can do a thorough R&D about SMBA consultants. They can study about SMBA consultants, Google about it, attend these free webinars, etc. Once you are thorough, you are confident that this is the right franchise opportunity, then we evaluate you. Now, how that evaluation process starts? You need to deposit a franchise application form to us. Guys, we are very, very picky. We do not roll out the franchise to everyone because this industry is different. The approach is different. Because we invest whole lot of time and money in each and every franchise business, there is investment from our side also. You need to submit a franchise application form along with 1900 rupees. Through, you can go to our website, check. You can jolly well fill the franchise application form. Third, after the franchise application form is approved by our panel experts, you need to sign an LOI, the letter of intent, with 20% of the franchise amount. Okay. Next, the third step is the final agreement sign up. So during the lockdown itself, we have received several LOIs, franchise application form, and we have already given to our 32nd and 33rd partner. Okay. So we already have 33 plus franchises across 16 locations in India. And during the lockdown itself, we approved 2 applications and we gave 2 franchises. Now, what our franchise says, very, very important for you to understand what our franchise says about us. They have naturally good things. And you can see these quotes from our franchise partner from Goa, Mumbai, that their experience has been top notch and they highly recommend SMBA for all the aspiring entrepreneurs. And also more praises from people from Bangalore, Kolhapur, Hyderabad, etc. Now, even till now, if you are not convinced, let us see what Google Uncle has to say about SMB consultants. They have given a rating to SMBA consultants of more than 4 MBA, which we can Google it, you will see the kind of rating that we are having. This particular slide do that. Now, what actually we give you as value? Against 2 lakh rupees of franchise fees, you get a value of 22 lakhs. We give you 11x value. How? First, we give you a brand portfolio usage license. If you can see out here, on the top SMBA consultants, it is a registered brand. So we give you that license to use the brand portfolio of SMBA consultants. You can use that and it will give you worth rupees 5 lakhs. Second, we dedicate a franchise account manager to you. The franchise account manager will be helping you, hand holding you basically for 5 years at our cost. You did not pay even a single extra penny for that. That is worth rupees 10 lakhs. Third, we give you the access to our training manuals, the SOPs, etc., which HO uses, which the entire SMBA family, the network uses, worth rupees 1 lakh. Fourth, we also have very premium partnerships with good number of agencies, the best in the industry. So if I talk about VS or the job portals, you get a subsidized pricing worth rupees 2.5 lakhs. Next, we give you the access to our knowledge articles, which we diversified and included now. So all these knowledge products you will get worth rupees 1 lakh free of cost. Then you get an access to our 5 years. So guys, value. Do you still want more? If yes, put more in the Zoom group chat. If you still want more, put more. Great, great. So most of you are looking for more. All right. First and the foremost benefit that we give it to you is a LinkedIn consulting session by the founder himself. So I will be taking you how you can work on a say special sales magic, create SMB consultants known as the pull sales magic, wherein you did not approach people, people will approach you, how they can get pulled towards you. You did not act very pushy. Please don't be salesy as well. How by utilizing the right techniques, you can utilize the LinkedIn platform. So all this consulting, I will be working with you on your profile, your company page to upgrade you. You still are looking for more. I still want more in the Zoom group chat, right? More again on the Zoom group chat. All right, all right. Somebody has written, "Ye dil mange more." Okay, okay. So coming back to this, what extra we have to offer? We offer you a free account on Co-Founders Planet. Co-Founders Planet, I've already discussed. It has been startup recognized. Pre-valuation state, it has been valued at 20 CR. So you get a free account on Co-Founders Planet. And to approach the payment method, you can pay us through Paytm. The number is mentioned on the screen. You can go to Razorpay, or you can also use the SMBA group website. It is highly secured. You can go through the HDFC payment gateway by clicking on the franchise link of SMBA Consultants website. Our team will be more than happy to guide you through the entire process. Now I'm open to questions. Please put forward your questions so that I can freely answer those. Please feel free to ask me questions. Anything related to Corona, the business opportunities, how we can do, etc.
Mr. Bhanu, continue.
यस किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए. यस किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए. यस सुनील जी. सुनील जी अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट कीजिए.
हेलो.
यस
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि सर मुझे इस फील्ड में कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ?
सुनील जी, बहुत ही सही क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने. जो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो नए लोग होते हैं HR फील्ड में, वो डेफिनेटली पूछते हैं. कोई भी फ्रेंचाइज लेता आदमी इसीलिए है क्योंकि शायद उसके पास कम एक्सपीरियंस है और उसे ये फील होता है कि ब्रांड से जुड़ के उसको वो फायदा हो पाए. तो कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, हम बिल्कुल आपके सर्विस पे रहेंगे. नॉट ओनली ये ट्रेनिंग जो आपको दी जाएगी या 1 दिन 2 दिन 1 हफ्ते के लिए ट्रेनिंग नहीं है. 5 साल के लिए एक फ्रेंचाइज अकाउंट मैनेजर आपके साथ रहेगा, आपके साथ पूरा हेल्प करेगा आपको बिजनेस समझने में. कहीं भी आप अटकते हो तो एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी बनाया जाता है जहां पे एज ओनर्स आप बात कर सकते हो. आपके लिए फ्री कंसल्टिंग सेशंस होती है जहां पे डायरेक्ट फाउंडर से, हमारे पैनल से डिस्कशन कर सकते हो अपनी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में. नॉट जस्ट SMB कंसल्टेंट्स, अपने और भी अगर आप कुछ बिजनेस में हेल्प चाहिए, वी विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. सो डोंट बी स्केयर्ड, चाहे आप इस फील्ड के हो या नहीं हो. फ्रेंचाइज अगर आप लोगे तो ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि हम आपको असिस्ट करें और हेल्प करें. कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, बिल्कुल आप जुड़ सकते
आपका नवी मुंबई में कोई है क्या ब्रांच?
हैं। हाँ जी, हमारा मुंबई में है ब्रांच।
नवी
हमारा
मुंबई
मुंबई, मेरे को एक्चुअली टेरिटरी वाइज नहीं पता, बट मुंबई में एक जगह है जहाँ पे हमारा ब्रांच है। आई विल टेल यू द नेम बाय आस्किंग द पार्टनर ओनली, सो आई एम नॉट टू फेमिलियर विद द ज्योग्राफी ऑफ मुंबई और इंडिया, बट हाँ जी, मुंबई में हमारा है यूनिट। आप जरूर उनसे मिल भी सकते हो। हाँ जी, कांदीवली में हमारा यूनिट है, कांदीवली में। सो आप उनसे आराम से मिल सकते हो, एक जूम कॉल
उनका
सेट
मुझे
कर
नंबर
सकते हो।
शेयर कर सकते हो आप?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हम आपको जरूर से हेल्प करेंगे और उनसे एक कॉल भी सेटअप करवा देंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
यस सुरेंद्र जी।
Sir, can you please tell me how many companies you are serving in Delhi NCR?
All right. So, Surender, one more important thing, I can understand why you have asked this question. Probably you belong to that NCR area, right? If I'm
Yeah,
not
that's
wrong.
right.
Right. So, first thing which I want to state to you is our business is not like a retail store. कि आपका दिल्ली में रिटेल है तो आप रिटेल सिर्फ दिल्ली में ही सर्व कर सकते हो। आप अगर काम करोगे, दिल्ली एनसीआर में आपका यूनिट है, आप पैन वर्ल्ड सर्व कर सकते हो। एसएमवी कंसल्टेंट्स का एचओ जब शुरू हुआ था कोलकाता में, हम आज तक 15 कंट्रीज में काम कर चुके हैं। तो हमारा एक सिंपल सा सिस्टम रहता है जहां पे आपका एक सीआरएम पैनल आपको दिया जाता है। आप कोई भी लोकेशन को पिकअप कर सकते हो और आप उसके लिए डिलीवरीज कर सकते हो, चाहे वो केरल हो, चाहे वो कोलकाता हो। बट हाँ, हम लोग ये मेक श्योर करते हैं कि क्लाइंट वाइज डुप्लीकेसी ना हो, ठीक है ना। तो कमिंग बैक टू दिस, आई बिलीव फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर, जिसमें मैं बता रहा हूं आपको टेरिटरी का कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है कि आप एनसीआर में ही काम करोगे, पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज अबाउट डुप्लीकेसी जो मैंने बोला, वो भी हमारी टीम आंसर करेगी। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट कि क्लाइंट्स हमारे एनसीआर में कैसे है, हम लोग अपना क्लाइंट्स को 4 जोन्स में ही डिवाइड करते हैं, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ। तो हमारा जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है नॉर्थ इंडिया में, वो करीबन 30% हमारा क्लाइंटेल नॉर्थ इंडिया में है। होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन।
And second thing is that will you be providing me the requirement that different companies are providing you?
Definitely, that is a part. When I said there is something called an internal CRM, इंटरनल सीआरएम में सारी वैकेंसीज जो लाइव है वो फ्लोटेड रहती है। तो आप आराम से वो सीआरएम में जाओगे, आप देखोगे भैया ये आईटी फॉर्च्यून 500 कंपनी है, सीएमआई लेवल 3 कंपनी है, कोई बैंक है, ये सब कंपनीज की वैकेंसी है, मेरे को एक बैंक के लिए काम करना है। आप अपने फ्रेंचाइज अकाउंट मैनेजर को बोलोगे मुझे इस पे सीवी सबमिट करना है, प्लीज मेरे लिए अनलॉक कर दीजिए, तो फ्रेंचाइज अकाउंट मैनेजर आपको वो वैकेंसी अनलॉक करके देगा।
Third question is that suppose, as you know, that Delhi NCR has plenty of MNCs working here. So if I approach one of them to provide SMVA services,
हाँ जी,
so how SMVA would help me in that? And what
ग्रेट
would be
ग्रेट।
my...
आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर सिमिलर क्वेश्चन सो दैट मैं अपना बेनिफिट इस नेटवर्क का बता पाऊं। ये जो कंसल्टेंसी है, ये एक आप लोग को फ्रीलांस रिक्रूटर नहीं बनाना चाहती कि हम लोग आपको काम देते रहेंगे और आप उस पर काम करते रहेंगे। ये एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो आपको इंडिपेंडेंट बनाती है। कैसे? ये एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी देगी आपको जिससे आप खुद बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट सीख पाओ। आप बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट सीख के हमारा नेटवर्क पोर्टफोलियो यूज करके आप कंपनीज के पास जाओगे। आपके केस में जो कि एनसीआर की कंपनीज है, गुड़गांव नोएडा कहीं की भी कंपनीज है, आप उनके पास जाओगे, आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो दिखाओगे कि भैया मैं एसएमबी से जुड़ा हुआ हूं, मैं एसएमबी नेटवर्क का पार्ट हूं, मैं आपका काम कर सकता हूं। जब आपका वो लोग पोर्टफोलियो देखेंगे तो आपके ऊपर एक ट्रस्ट डेवलप होता है, और उसके लिए हमारी रॉयल्टी, अगर आप खुद क्लाइंट लेके आते हो और उस पर सर्व करते हो, हमारी रॉयल्टी केवल 10% है। और अगर हम आपको क्लाइंट देंगे तो हम 20% चार्ज करते हैं, यानी कि 80% आपका, 20% हमारा। और आपके केस में अगर आप खुद से क्लाइंट लेके आए, जैसे मैंने बताया खुद का रिलेशनशिप्स होता है, कॉर्पोरेट्स होते हैं, तो 10% हम लेंगे, 90% आपका रहेगा।
And suppose मैं इसे बिग लेवल पे स्टार्ट करता हूँ, तो
हाँ जी,
जो एचआर जर्नलिस्ट होते हैं तो
हाँ जी,
उनको जॉब उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग आप प्रोवाइड कराएंगे?
आप मेरे ख्याल से जो मैं रिफ्रेस करता हूँ आपके क्वेश्चन को, आप पूछना चाह रहे हो कि ट्रेनिंग वेदर हम प्रोवाइड कराएंगे कि नहीं कराएंगे पूरे प्रोसेस रिलेटेड, जो हमारा एसओपीज रहता है या एचआर को कैसे काम करना है। डेफिनेटली मैंने जो बताया, हमारा जो स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर्स है, आपको हमारे एचओ के जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं उनसे कनेक्ट कराया जाएगा, आपकी खुद की ट्रेनिंग सेशंस होगी। एंड जो आपने बताया, मैं बड़े तौर पे शुरू करना चाहता हूँ। मैं जस्ट एक एडवाइस आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, जो मेरे मेंटोर्स मेरे को बोलते हैं, स्टार्ट विद जीरो मनी, ग्रो विद क्लाइंट्स मनी एंड स्केल विद इन्वेस्टर्स मनी। सो इट इज अ वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट। अगर आप बिजनेसमैन हो, विच आई प्रिज्यूम आप इतना डिटेल में जानना चाह रहे हो, तो आप हो, ये चीज बहुत जरूरी है। काइंडली डोंट बी टू मच बुलिश कि हाँ मैं बहुत बड़े तौर पे शुरू करूं। स्टार्ट वेरी स्मॉल, धीरे धीरे करके हमारे गाइडेंस हम आपको खुद बताएंगे कि अब आप खर्चा करिए, क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं चाहते कि आपका फंड्स बहुत मात्रा में आप बहुत फैंसी ऑफिस ले लो, वहां से आप ऑपरेट करो, नहीं। जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते चलेंगे, सी आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, सो मेरा बहुत कंजर्वेटिव अप्रोच रहता है टुवर्ड्स फाइनेंसेस। धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप ग्रो करते हैं, मिलके ग्रो करेंगे। और मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारे पार्टनर्स बहुत जल्दी बहुत लंबा फंड्स इन्वेस्ट करके, क्योंकि उनका पैसा एक तरीके से वो हमारे पार्टनर हैं, तो हमारे भी वो दुखेगा।
एंड
होप ये आंसर करेगा आपका क्वेश्चन।
जी जी। एंड बिफोर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, जॉब सीकर्स को हम क्या इन हाउस कुछ ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड कराते हैं कि
हाँ जी,
हाउ
बिल्कुल।
वुड यू बी giving the answer of certain questions, what would be your dressing sense, and how you would be with your body languages and all?
गॉट इट। सो आपने मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान देखा होगा, हमारा एक ई लर्निंग का भी डिवीजन है। तो ई लर्निंग के डिवीजन में जरूर ये कोर्सेज हैं जो कि कैंडिडेट्स के बेनिफिट के लिए हैं, कि भाई रेज्यूमे कैसे लिखना है, वो उसके बाद इंटरव्यूज कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, किस तरीके से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है, 6 P's ऑफ इंटरव्यूज क्या होते हैं। आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू द टेक्निकल्स कि क्या 6 P's हैं या फिर कैसे रेज्यूमे राइटिंग का स्ट्रेटेजीज है, बट डेफिनेटली हम कैंडिडेट्स को ट्रेन करते हैं और उनको तैयार करके ही कंपनीज के पास भेजते हैं। तो ये सारी ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग्स हैं जो कि अपने डेफिनेटली कैंडिडेट्स को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। और मजे की बात ये है कि हमारे सारे पार्टनर्स को हमारे ई लर्निंग डिवीजन में भी हिस्सा मिलेगा, जैसा मैंने आप लोग को ऑलरेडी बताया।
And what about the technical and computerized knowledge for going for an interview? Suppose HR में जो होता है, VBA हम Excel में सिखाते हैं, this type of coachings that we give to our candidates before going for an interview.
ओके,
What you have
I'll
for that?
एक्चुअली गिव। ओके, बेसिक जो टेक्निकल रिलेटेड ट्रेनिंग है हम नहीं प्रोवाइड करते हैं। अगर जो डोमेन स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज है, क्योंकि वो नॉलेज हम बिलीव करते हैं कैंडिडेट्स को होगी अगर वो इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहा है, क्योंकि रेज्यूमे जब हम स्क्रीन करते हैं तो नेचुरली उसमें वो कैलिबर है, उनको काम दिया गया है।
Thanks for your informations.
या वेलकम सुरेंद्र जी।
मुनिंदर जी अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट कीजिए।
हेलो
बोलिए।
हेलो।
हाँ जी मुनिंदर जी, आप ऑडिबल हो, प्लीज गो अहेड विद योर क्वेश्चन।
हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून मुनिंदर जी, बताइए।
You shared 4 models. So why there is huge difference between first 2 models and not the third and the fourth model?
ओके मुनिंदर जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अभी के लिए हम लोग सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 मॉडल्स पे ही फोकस कर रहे हैं, 1 लाख और 2 लाख का मॉडल। हम लोग अगर 8 लाख और 10 लाख का मॉडल बहुत ही स्पेशल केसेस में रोल आउट करते हैं, जो कि इस इंडस्ट्री से ही जुड़ा हुआ है और उसकी प्रोफाइल बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट है। तो अभी जो प्राइमरीली हम लोग ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन या नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स के लिए ओपन है, वो सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 मॉडल्स के लिए ओपन है। आपके फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट चीज मैं क्लैरिफाई करना चाहता हूँ। सेकेंड पार्ट, मॉडल का डिफरेंस या कॉस्ट का डिफरेंस सिंपल इसीलिए है, अगर आप मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज और यूनिट फ्रेंचाइज के बीच में डिफरेंस समझते हो, आई विल आल्सो बी हैप्पी टू गेट ऑन अ कॉल टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इन डिटेल why this disparity. The disparity in short, for the benefit of all, to tell you is because it is a unit franchise and second is a master franchise.
So the third and the fourth model is the master franchisee model.
Yes, yes. The master
Okay.
franchise and the network franchise model.
So in a master franchisee model, you will give a proper state or a district to that franchisee.
Right. हमारे geographies divided हैं. Geographies के हिसाब से अगर आप उस कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हो, जैसा मैंने बताया, बहुत ही स्पेशल केस में हम लोग एक मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज रोल आउट करते हैं, जो कि हमें लगे कि हाँ जेन्युइनली ब्रांच के तौर पे काम कर पाए. जो हम लोग एचओ में काम कर रहे हैं उस तरीके से ब्रांच के तौर पे काम कर सकते और फ्रेंचाइजेस कर सके, वेबिनार्स कंडक्ट कर सके, ट्रेनिंग डिवीजन को बढ़ा सके, ग्लोबली हमारे साथ ट्रैवल कर सके, उसी केस में हम लोग एक मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज रोल आउट करते हैं.
So as of now, you were saying you are having 33 to 35 franchisee outlets.
33.
And out of them, any company-owned
One.
outlet also? One is
No,
company-owned.
there is one master franchise which is in Mumbai.
And company-owned outlet anywhere?
नहीं, हम लोग सिर्फ फोफो मॉडल पे ऑपरेट करते हैं, फ्रेंचाइज ओन्ड, फ्रेंचाइज ऑपरेटेड.
Not in franchise-owned company also?
नहीं,
Franchise-owned
नहीं,
company
बिल्कुल
operated.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Where a
हम
person
लोग
wants
का
to invest
मॉडल
and
फिक्स है. नो, वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर, ऑनेस्टली मुनिंदर जी, हमें फंड्स की जरूरत नहीं है. हम लोग फंड्स नहीं देख रहे हैं. हमारे पास बहुत इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, हमारे पैनल में भी. हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट क्लियरली पार्टनर्स ढूंढना है जो हमारे साथ लग के एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जर्नी को एंजॉय कर पाए और इस रोलर कोस्टर राइड में हमारे साथ जुड़ के काम करें. फंड्स इज नॉट समथिंग विच वी आर लुकिंग फॉर, अदरवाइज हमारी फीस इतनी कम नहीं होती.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bhanu, do we have more questions?
Mr. Sandeep Batra ji. Sandeep ji, ask your question, please.
संदीप unmute.
Hello. Hello.
Haji Sandeep ji, go ahead with your question, please. You're audible.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. Gaurav ji, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, Sandeep.
Okay, sir. एक तो मेन डिफरेंस क्या है जो आपके दो फ्रेंचाइजी रेट है 1 लाख एंड 2 लाख? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो ये है. सेकंड है कि हम क्या चार्ज करते हैं कैंडिडेट से, या आप क्या चार्ज करते हैं जिसमें से आप 90% देते हैं या 80% देते हैं? और थर्ड जो है कंपनी से क्या चार्ज करते हैं आप, क्या पॉलिसी है?
ओके, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो आपने पूछा, भाई 1 लाख और 2 लाख में क्या डिफरेंस है? 1 लाख का जो मॉडल है उसमें आप खुद से रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं कर सकते. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, 1 लाख वाले मॉडल में आप खुद से रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं कर सकते हो. आप बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हो, आप क्लाइंट ला सकते हो, फ्रेंचाइज ला सकते हो, आप ट्रेनिंग के किट सेल कर सकते हो. जो 2 लाख वाला मॉडल है उसमें आप एक इंडिपेंडेंट कंसल्टेंसी बन जाओगे जिसमें आप खुद से रिक्रूटमेंट भी कर पाओगे. ओके, सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो आपने पूछा कि भाई हम कितना चार्ज करते हैं. हमारे 2 डिवीजन है. पहला, कैंडिडेट से जो हम चार्ज करते हैं, हम उनसे ट्रेनिंग का चार्ज लेते हैं. अभी के लिए जो ट्रेनिंग कोर्स का चार्ज है, मान लीजिए रेज्यूमे राइटिंग किट का, जो कि हिंदी में भी है अंग्रेजी में भी है, उसका चार्ज हमने एमआरपी जो है 3,000 रुपए का 2,997, एंड अभी हमने लॉकडाउन ऑफर उसका निकाला है 499 का. हमारे 3 स्लैब हैं जो कि हम लोग पार्टनर से शेयर करते हैं हमारे ट्रेनिंग डिवीजन में. गोल्ड पार्टनर, सिल्वर पार्टनर और ब्रोंज पार्टनर. गोल्ड पार्टनर वो होता है जो 1200 से ऊपर किट्स सेल कर चुका है, उससे 70% रेवेन्यू मिलता है और 30% हमारे घर में आता है. सेकंड, जो सिल्वर पार्टनर है, सिल्वर पार्टनर को 60% रेवेन्यू का मिलता है और 40% हमारे पास आता है. सिल्वर पार्टनर वो होता है जो 800 से 1200 किट सेल कर चुका है. और हमारे जो फर्स्ट पार्टनर है ब्रोंज पार्टनर, वो अप टू जो 400 किट सेल करता है, 400 से ऊपर जो किट सेल करेगा, 400 तक जो सेल करेगा, उसको 50-50 हम लोग रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग करोगे. मान लीजिए अगर आपने 10 बच्चों का रेज्यूमे किट बेचा तो 250 रुपया करके मेरे पास आया और 250 रुपए आपके पास है. ये हमारा सिंपल रॉयल्टी या रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग है ई लर्निंग डिवीजन का. सेकंड जो आपका डिवीजन है वो है रिक्रूटमेंट का. वो मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले क्वेश्चन में बता दिया था कि 10% जब आप खुद क्लाइंट लेके आओगे तब हम रखेंगे और 90% आपका है, और 20% जब हम आपको क्लाइंट देंगे तब हम रखेंगे और 80% आपका है। और आपका एक और पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन था कि हम कितना चार्ज करते हैं कंपनी से। अब कंपनी से चार्ज करना डिपेंड करता है कंप्लीटली कंपनी टू कंपनी और उनकी वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है। हमने पिछले वीक एक पुणे बेस्ड कंपनी के साथ एक डील साइन की है जो कि 15% पे भी है, और हमने 8 नॉर्मल इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड अगर मैं बात करूं तो 8.33% होता है, जिसको बोलते हैं 1 मंथ की सैलरी, एक महीने का कमीशन 8.33%। सी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पार्टनर आप लोग 10% to 20% डिस्काउंट दे सकते हो। अगर आप लोगों को सही लगा कि भाई वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिजनेस अच्छा आएगा, क्लाइंट बराबर टाइमली पेमेंट देता रहेगा, उस बेसिस पे हम फर्दर डिस्काउंट के बारे में बातें कर सकते हैं क्लाइंट से। होप सारे पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आपके क्लियर है संदीप।
राइट सर, एक क्वेश्चन और था, रिक्रूटमेंट किस लेवल की करते हैं आप?
ओके,
मतलब एक मैनेजर
हमारा
टू हाई लेवल पर जाता है या एक क्लरिकल टू हाई लेवल जाता है?
ओके, पहले तो अगर कैटेगराइज करूं तो एक ब्लू कॉलर हो गया, एक व्हाइट कॉलर हो गया। हम लोग ब्लू कॉलर रिक्वायरमेंट्स पे नहीं काम करते हैं। हमारी पार्टनर हमारे नेटवर्क में ही ऐसे लोग हैं, क्योंकि हम एक नेटवर्क बना रहे हैं, तो हमारे अगर कोई स्टार पार्टनर है, अगर वो मान लीजिए ब्लू कॉलर पे काम करना चाहता है, जैसे हमारा एक पार्टनर है जो कि फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट इंडस्ट्री में है, उसके 66 होटल्स के साथ टाई अप है, तो अगर वो करना चाहे तो हमें कोई ऐतराज नहीं है। बट एज अ एचओ हम लोग ब्लू कॉलर पे काम नहीं करते हैं इंडिया में। टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाइट कॉलर में हम आईटी नॉन आईटी सब पे काम करते हैं, और लेवल्स वाइज हम लोग मिड टू सीनियर लेवल पे हमारा फोकस 70 to 80% ज्यादा रहता है। बट क्या होता है, कई हमारे क्लाइंट है जो 7-8 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो वो लोग यही बोलते हैं कि गौरव जी अगर हमारे छोटी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट्स है तो थोड़ी ना हम और कोई कंसल्टेंसी के पास जाएंगे। तो हमें उस केस में उनके लिए जूनियर लेवल रिक्रूटमेंट्स भी करने पड़ते हैं, जो कि मात्रा में हमारे 20% से 25% के तादाद में रेंज करते हैं।
उसमें आपके चार्जेस जो होते हैं वो सेम ही रहेंगे,
हाँ जी।
10%, 20%?
See again, that is completely dependent upon the business development. जो business development manager है या जो सेल्स का बंदा है जो आपकी एंटिटी की तरफ, इसलिए उनके नेगोशिएशन स्किल पे निर्भर करता है कि वो कितने की डील लेके आ रहा है।
हेलो,
कई बार हमें 8.33 का मिले, हो सकता है कई बार 10% का मिले। तो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि जूनियर का इतना लो, मिड का इतना ले लो, सीनियर का इतना ले लो। हमारा 850 क्लाइंट का एक्सपीरियंस यही बोलता है कि 850 में से इक्का दुक्का ऐसे क्लाइंट है जो कि ये जाते हैं, बाकी सब एक फ्लैट रेट प्रेफर करते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू। और आपका एग्रीमेंट 5 इयर्स का है? हेलो
होप संदीप जी आपका क्वेश्चन। हाँ जी,
सर, एक क्वेश्चन हो रहा है, आपका जो ये
हाँ
एग्रीमेंट
जी
है ये
संदीप जी, 5
5
इयर्स का
इयर्स का है,
एग्रीमेंट है।
और इसके बाद क्या है रिन्यूअल का जी? आफ्टर दैट रिन्यूअल क्या है सर?
रिन्यूअल का केस टू केस बेसिस पे डिपेंड करता है। रिन्यूअल नॉर्मल से ज्यादा नहीं होगा, ये हम आपको गारंटी दे रहे हैं। अभी का जो फीस है उससे ज्यादा तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, एटलीस्ट फॉर द एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स।
ओके, राइट सर, थैंक यू।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? वेलकम।
प्लीज रेजेंट कर लीजिए।
All right. Bhanu, I don't think so. We have more questions. Do we have, Bhanu?
No.
All right. Thank you all. सबने संडे के दिन समय निकाला. Thanks for learning with me. One small request: keep investing in yourself and upgrading your knowledge. I always say, be a lifelong learner. यही अपने सबको आगे बढ़ाएगा. And we can connect on one-to-one basis as well. This is my email address, and you can WhatsApp your queries. अगर यहाँ पे कोई छूट गई है, please kindly be crisp और अपनी queries को WhatsApp करिए. मेरी टीम आपको जरूर कनेक्ट करेगी और आपको ट्राई करेगी हेल्प करने का.
Okay, Gaurav ji, now we are going to end our franchise webinar session. फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने इंडियाज बेस्ट एचआर एंड रिक्रूटमेंट कंसल्टिंग ब्रांड एसएमवीए कंसल्टेंट की फ्रेंचाइज जर्नी एंड सक्सेस स्टोरी के बारे में मिस्टर गौरव अग्रवाल जी से जाना. फ्रेंड्स, वी होप कि आपको ये सेशन काफी पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको एसएमवीए की फ्रेंचाइज के बारे में कोई भी क्वेरी है या फ्रेंचाइज में इंटरेस्टेड है तो प्लीज आप डायरेक्ट गौरव जी से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लीज नोट डाउन द कांटेक्ट नंबर. इट्स 9831791317. I am repeating again. It's a 9831791317. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने यह वेबिनार लेट अटेंड किया है तो प्लीज आप franchiseapply.com के फेसबुक पेज पर जाकर इस पूरे वेबिनार सेशन को अगेन पूरा देख सकते हैं. एंड a warm thanks to Mr. Gaurav ji for addressing today webinar session. Gaurav sir, thanks a lot sir.
Thank you a lot, Ashok sir. I
Yeah.
can actually say to all the entrepreneur friends out here, guys, be glued to Franchise Apply. I can bet on one thing, as an investor, as an entrepreneur, within 2025, you will see Franchise Apply in the global map. I'm repeating my words, within 2025 itself, all the other competitions will be wiped out and you will see Franchise Apply on the global map. Yes.
Thanks a lot Gaurav ji. Thanks for appreciation.
Welcome.
Bye
welcome.
and take care all. Thank you sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.